Today's story is The Small Seed of Success. Hello everyone, welcome to our English storytelling series. Today we are going to listen to an inspiring story called The Small Seed of Success. This story teaches us how small daily efforts can slowly change our lives and help us achieve our dreams. Ravi was an ordinary young man. He worked in a small grocery shop in a town. He often dreamed of a better life, but he believed successful people were simply luckier than him. One evening, he met an old gardener planting seeds. Ravi said, "These seeds are tiny. How can you be sure they will become big trees?" The gardener smiled. Every tree starts as a small seed. The real question is not how big the seed is, but whether it is willing to grow. Ravi felt sad. He said, "I want to improve my life, but I am not talented." The gardener picked up a seed and said, "If this seed stays safe in my hand, it will never become a tree. Growth begins when it leaves its comfort zone." Success is the same. Small daily efforts may seem invisible, but they create a future that others cannot see. Those words stayed in Ravi's heart. The next day, Ravi decided to change. He woke up 30 minutes earlier and read books about communication, confidence, and success. He learned basic computer skills through free online videos. At the shop, he started speaking politely with customers and carefully observed how the owner managed the business. Months passed. Ravi became more confident and organized. The shop owner noticed his dedication and gave him additional responsibilities such as managing stock and keeping sales records. Ravi continued learning. After a year, he applied for a position as an office assistant in a larger company. During the interview, his communication skills, computer knowledge, and work experience helped him stand out. He got the job. Over the next few years, Ravi kept learning and improving. He earned promotions, increased his income, and supported his family better than ever before. One day, he remembered the gardener's words. Success had not come from one big opportunity. It had growth from hundreds of small efforts, just like a seed growing into a strong tree. Moral of the story: small daily improvements may seem unimportant today, but they create extraordinary results over time. Never underestimate the power of consistent growth. Thank you for listening to this beautiful story. Remember, every big success starts with a small step, just like a tree begins from a tiny seed. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself. See you in the next story.